We are back with another 10-word extremely useful vocabulary, their replacements and alternatives. Welcome to our YouTube channel Uflyer. For those who are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. The words which we will be discussing today are very productive and selective. This can help you get your desired band score. So watch the video to the last so that you can increase your vocabulary and enhance your speaking and writing skills. Without any further delay, let's start with the video. Word number 1. Development, replacement and alternatives. Advancement. For example, most parents are anxious about their children's advancement. Betterment. Example, his research is for the betterment of mankind. Growth. For instance, lack of water will stunt the plant's growth. Evolution. For example, our political institutions are in continuous evolution. Word number 2. Allowed, replacement and alternatives. Permission. For example, they have permission to build 200 new houses. Access. For example, the police gained access through a broken window. Word number 3. Responsible, replacement and alternatives. Accountable. For example, every person is accountable for his own work. Liable. For example, top salaries are liable for a higher rate of tax. Word number 4. Activities, replacement and alternatives. Pursuit. For example, she is absorbed in the pursuit of knowledge. Task. Example, I can't complete this task alone. Venture. For instance, any business venture contains an element of risk. Word number 5. Seek, replacement and alternatives. Investigate. For example, the police decided to investigate further. Explore. Example, we need to explore every possible clue. Search for. For instance, a plane was dispatched to search for survivors. Word number 6. Difficult, replacement and alternatives. Strenuous. For example, relocating the flood-affected villagers to a safer place was a very strenuous job. Laborious. Example, they had the laborious task of cutting down the huge tree. Arduous. For instance, the work is arduous and the hours are long. Word number 7. Same, replacement and alternatives. Equivalent. For example, the two words are equivalent in meaning. Identical. Example, I have got 3 identical blue suits. Alike. For instance, the two brothers look very much alike. Word number 8. Secure, replacement and alternatives. Guarded. For example, a police officer was stationed outside to guard the door. Unharmed. Example, the hostages were released unharmed. Defended. For instance, she defended herself from the attack. Safe. For example, it is best to be on the safe side. Word number 9. Support, replacement and alternatives. Bolster. For example, More money is needed to bolster the industry. Reinforce. Example. 2 companies were moved up to reinforce the front line. Word number 10. Career. Replacement and alternatives. Occupation. For example, reading is a useful occupation to us. Vocation. Example. He found his vocation in ornithology. Work. For instance, worry kills more men than work. Profession. For example, his son is intended for the medical profession. Hope this video enhances your vocabulary. We have a whole range of different vocabulary which will help you enrich your knowledge and get a good or better score in IELTS speaking and writing. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more vocabulary updates.